Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What if I told you you could build an interactive app or quiz inside Canva with zero coding skills? In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva code. Just type what you want and Canva builds it for you. Let's jump in. Canva is part of Canva's AI toolkit. It generates real working code based on plain English prompts. So you don't need to write HTML, CSS, or JavaScript yourself. With it, you can build things like quizzes, interactive games, and other mini apps, all embedded right inside a Canva design or page. First, log into Canva. Free or paid works. Once you are on the home page, look for Canva AI or the Canva AI from here as well. From the options code section, we will click on it. You will see preset templates, suggestions like quiz or interactive menu, flash the game, symbol, countdown, timer. You can either use one of those or start from scratch with your own idea. Now, in plain English, describe your idea. For example, I want a calculator that adds 3 numbers, or create an interactive quiz with multiple choice questions. Our example will be like this. I will put the prompt here. I will use this prompt to create a flashcard app. First screen lists cards like, and I mentioned examples. As you see, when user clicks a card, shows a question. After clicking show answer button, reveal the answer and review later. If user picks review later, put that card as the end of queue. Okay, I will hit submit button. Don't worry about the prompt. I'll include it in the description below in case you want to use it or create a similar app. Canva is working on generating the code. As you see, a preview will show up so you can test the functionality immediately. Once it's how you like it, embed the interactive element inside a Canva design, presentation, web page, document, or publish, share as needed. We will click on use in a design. I choose presentation. Here the user will click on gravity to learn about it, the force that attracts objects toward each other. So here you will think about the definition, and if you wanted to show the answer, you will click on show answer. If your answer match the correct one, you will click on no or review later. I will click no, saving. Cards knowing 1, cards to review 0 because you knew the answer. Pack to card list. We will select another one, and so on. If you wanted to publish the application as it is, so in this case, you will click on publish. Give a name for your web app. Here, Word, Heart, and Study under the domain of Canva, or get a new domain. I will go to setting. I will not activate the visible in search Google. If you wanted to make your web app visible in search Google, you can activate this button or give the web app a password protection. I will click continue to publish. As you see, preparing your website. Here we are, view website. Now you can share your web app with others by the link. And that's it. Now you know how to use Canva code to build interactive apps without writing a single line of code. Try it out, play around, and see what you can build. If you liked this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what will you build first? Quiz? Fun game? Let's see what you come up with. Catch you next time. Goodbye.